Hi, it's Christmas and it's time to make Christmas bread. We love to make Christmas bread and invite people over to help us make it. This is especially a super fun party for young kids. Um, Actually, it's fun for everyone. I've done it with elementary age kids, middle and high schoolers, and even young adults. Everybody loves to be real creative with bread dough. So let me show you how. You're going to add 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, when I have the dough made like this, that's when I'll invite the kids in to come and play. If you love making this bread as much as we do, and we make pizza every Friday, we do lots of activities with bread dough, go to Costco or Sam's Club or BJ's and buy the jumbo pack of yeast. It is so much cheaper than buying those little packets or even the jars at the grocery store. Buy a couple of these scrapers. These are the greatest things. They're not sharp at all. You can buy these at the Dollar Tree. We love the Dollar Tree. You can buy these, get a couple of these because the kids love to chop them up, and that way if you have 3 or 4 of them floating around the table, everyone can use them. Have a party and have 6 to 8 kids come, I make a double batch. Make cooking in the kitchen fun and get some tools that are their size. So you can find little ones, or you can even find tiny ones. This one's a toy. I really do love making this bread every year. It has been a tradition in our home since our kids were really little. And I just love being able to give people a homemade gift that was fun to make and not very hard. One of my favorite things to do is give loaves of bread and these little honey bears from the Dollar Tree. They're not really honey, it's like syrup, but it's a cute little gift to have 2 little things together. When they cut open that bread, it's always a fun surprise. We love making bread so much that every year, for the last 10 years, I have made 20 loaves of little bread, and I send them to work with my husband, and that's our gift to his people at work. I hope that you will have a fun time making this a tradition. It's so nice to have the kids in the kitchen making dough and just being really creative with what they make from red, white, and green dough. Happy holidays and hope for the best. See you next time.